Hi, this is Python programming lesson in which we shall discuss about while loop and range function. Here is range function and here is while loop. If we want to print a sentence on the screen multiple times or write numbers from 1 to 100, how shall we do it? There are two commonly used methods for this, the range function and the while loop. After that, if we want to print the word for loop on the screen 6 times, then we shall pass range a value 6 and this for loop word will be printed 6 times on the screen. The underscore in the for loop means that the loop will iterate n times, but the underscore is not being used in the loop. It's a convention. And the count variable counts the number of times the loop iterated. After that, a while loop is used and there is a condition in the while loop which will cause the loop to stop iterating when it is false. The loop will keep on printing the word while loop till the condition I is less than or equal to 5 becomes false. This means that after incrementing I is 6 and the condition is false, the loop will stop iterating. The count will show the word while loop is printed 5 times on the screen. Here count is counting the number of time loop iterated. Hope you got understanding of range function and while loop. Thank you.